Hello. Let's talk about social media. It sounds complicated, but it's not. Think of it as a way to connect with people you love. You can share news, photos, and stories. It's like sending a letter, but faster and more fun. Social media is for everyone, especially seniors. Don't be afraid to try something new. You might be surprised at how much you enjoy it. This guide will help you understand the basics. We'll explore different platforms and how to use them safely. Ready to start? Let's go! Remember the days of writing letters and making phone calls to stay in touch? Those were the times when we eagerly waited for the mail to arrive, hoping to find a letter from a loved one, or the joy of hearing a familiar voice on the other end of the line, making us feel connected despite the distance. Social media makes it easier. With just a few taps on your smartphone or tablet, you can instantly reach out to anyone, anywhere. The world has become a smaller place, and staying in touch has never been more convenient. You can connect with family and friends all over the world. Whether it's a video call with your children or a chat with an old friend, technology bridges the gap, making it feel like they're right there with you. Imagine seeing your grandchildren's graduation photos instantly. No more waiting for pictures to be developed and mailed. You can share in their joy and achievements in real time, celebrating milestones together. Or sharing a funny story with your friends with a click. Laughter and joy are just a post away, and you can spread happiness effortlessly. Social media brings you closer to the people who matter most. It strengthens bonds and keeps relationships alive, no matter the physical distance. It's not just about staying connected with loved ones. It's also about discovering new interests and rekindling old passions. You can also join groups with shared interests, whether it's a book club, a travel group, or a hobbyist community. There's a place for everyone. Love gardening? There's a group for that. Share tips, showcase your garden, and learn from fellow enthusiasts. Enjoy cooking? You'll find people sharing recipes and tips. Exchange culinary secrets and try new dishes from around the world. Social media opens a world of possibilities to connect, share, and learn. Embrace the digital age and discover the endless opportunities it offers to enrich your life and stay connected. Let's start with Facebook, one of the most popular social media platforms. It's a place where millions of people from all over the world come together to share their lives and stay connected. Think of it as a virtual scrapbook. You can share your thoughts, photos, and updates. It's like having a personal diary that you can share with your friends and family. Creating a Facebook profile is easy. You need an email address and a password. Once you have those, you can set up your profile with a picture and some basic information about yourself. Once you're in, you can start connecting with friends and family. You can search for people you know and send them friend requests. When they accept, you'll be able to see their posts and share your own. Facebook lets you post text, photos, and videos. You can share moments from your day, special events, or just your thoughts and feelings. You can also share articles, links, and even your mood. If you read an interesting article or find a funny video, you can share it with your friends with just a few clicks. It's a great way to keep everyone updated on your life. Whether you're traveling, celebrating a birthday, or just enjoying a quiet day at home, you can let your loved ones know what you're up to. One of the best things about Facebook is the ability to join groups. These groups can be about anything you're interested in, from gardening to cooking to local community events. These are communities based on interests, hobbies, or even locations. Joining a group allows you to connect with people who share your passions and can provide support, advice, and friendship. Exploring Instagram, a visual journey. Next up is Instagram, a platform all about visuals. Here you share photos and short videos. It's a great way to document your life in pictures. Instagram is easy to use. You can take a photo or video directly through the app or upload one from your phone's gallery. Add a caption, some hashtags, and share. People use Instagram to share their hobbies, travels, and everyday moments. You'll find stunning photography, delicious food pictures, and inspiring stories. Don't be afraid to explore and follow accounts that interest you. You can like, comment, and even share others' posts. Tweeting your thoughts. Welcome to Twitter. Twitter is the place for short messages called tweets. Think of it as sending a quick text to the world. It's perfect for sharing quick updates, news, or thoughts. Tweets are limited to 280 characters, so you have to be concise. You can include links, photos, and videos in your tweets. People use Twitter to discuss current events, share opinions, and follow their favorite celebrities and news sources. Don't feel pressured to tweet constantly. You can simply observe and join conversations that interest you. Staying safe in the digital world. While social media is fun, it's important to be safe. Engaging with friends and family online can be a wonderful experience, but it comes with its own set of risks. Just like in the real world, there are things to watch out for online. The internet can be a great place to learn and connect, but it can also be a place where scams and frauds are prevalent. Always be mindful of what you share. Think twice before posting anything that could reveal too much about your personal life. Avoid sharing personal information like your address, your full name, or any other details that could be used to identify you, phone number, or financial details. These pieces of information can be used by malicious individuals to cause harm or steal your identity. Be cautious of suspicious links or messages. If you receive an email or message from someone you don't know, or if it seems out of character for someone you do know, it's best to be wary. If something seems off, it's better to ignore it. Trust your gut feeling. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Remember, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. Scammers often use enticing offers to lure people into their traps. Set strong passwords for your social media accounts. A strong password is your first line of defense against hackers, and never share them with anyone. Keep your passwords in a secure place and change them regularly. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. This makes it harder for anyone to guess your password. Lastly, trust your instincts. If something makes you uncomfortable, don't ignore it. Your comfort and safety should always come first. Don't hesitate to block the person or report the content. Taking these steps can help protect you and others from potential harm. Taking the first step. Ready to dive into the world of social media? Start by choosing a platform that interests you the most. You don't have to be on every platform. Focus on one that resonates with you. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Your children, grandchildren, or friends can help you set up your profile and teach you the basics. Start by observing and getting comfortable with the platform. Once you're ready, share a simple post or comment. Every little step counts. Remember, social media is about connecting, sharing, and learning. Take your time, explore, and enjoy the journey.